let's just make it informal. Kasi parang yung reviews masyado kayong seryoso yung mga itsura niyo. So people at the back, if you can see the presentation, you can come here. Gusto intimate eh. Marami tayo. So this presentation is, I want to make it simple talaga. Para pag uwi nyo sa bahay nyo, pwede nyo siyang gamitin agad. So, ayun. sorry. AWS organizational accounts. Kayo, how many AWS accounts that you use in your company? How many? Okay. So, as before, we're using single account. So, imagine, both development and production shared in one AWS account. But we still manage the cost allocation, so the workloads and the business as usual. So our problem here is that multiple service provider is administering the single account. Biruin niyo yun, di ba? Ang laki ng load, tapos isang AWS account lang yung ginagamit natin. But now, nag-came up kami sa idea na parang, why don't we apply best practices? Di ba? So here, we decided to use AWS organizational account. So in other terms, it's a landing zone. We want to make it granular. For example, this Globe Master Payer, it is the consolidated billing account. And then we have shared services for common tools, security for centralized logging, and the operational workloads. Okay. You can ask me any questions. Okay lang kahit in the middle of the presentation. So may tanong ba kayo? Okay, wala pa. So sir, next slide. So build automated AMI. So dun sa title ko, build automated AMI in a multi-account structure. So before kasi, single account lang, we don't need to share AMIs between AWS account. Kasi isa nga lang, di ba? So, sir, wait lang. Ayun, build automated AMI. So ito, before, sir, ano nangyari?
Automated.
So, people, nakikita nyo ba? Lapit kayo ha. Okay. So, ayun, before kasi, we're manually provisioning instances. So, imagine, we're manually installing security agents, hardening, compliance standard. So, it took 3 hours for this to complete, then deploy to the environment, then security scanning. Tapos after yung security scanning, may mga vulnerabilities na kailangan ayusin sa AMI, and then apply to the environment. Alright, and then create AMI lifecycle. So this kind of process, it's very time consuming for us because we want to move faster. Diba? So, naisip ko, let's take up away na gumamit tayo ng infrastructure build tools. Kasi as in Globe ISG, we're building multiple infrastructure designs at the same time. Dami namin project, promise. Mukhang namin okay, pero so, okay. So, naisip namin, why don't we use Packer? Do you know what is Packer? Anyone who has an idea with Packer? Okay, so, after this meeting, you will call me the Packer speaker. Okay. So, next. So, ayun. So, we decided to use Packer. So, what the Packer does, it automates the building of AMI, including your hardening scripts, security agents, software that you want to install. So it's like a immutable process. So a Packer template. So a Packer template, binubuo siya ng JSON structure siya. Okay. So what we do is create a Packer template for the specific version of OS. For example, RHEL, Ubuntu, CentOS, and all the versions. Dami na, di ba? And then, commit in the code commit. Build using Packer server. And then, what does the Packer do is that it will provision an instance. So, rarun niya yun nasa Packer template mo. After this, it will create an AMI kasama yung mga binili sa Packer template. Okay? So, after creating AMI, it will terminate the provision instance. So, you're like baking an instance with all the configurations that you want to apply. And the next one is you will deploy in the environment, security scanning again. So, actually, security scanning dito yung ano eh. Kumbaga bottleneck namin. Kasi, bawat versions may vulnerabilities, right? So, what we do, yung mga vulnerabilities dito, we apply in Packer template. So, we will not encounter that again. Alright? Okay. So after that, AMI lifecycle, as we're retaining the AMI for at least a month, and then we have to build it all over again. So we don't need to go through the manual process, because what you have to do is to build again the Packer template. Okay. So next. So ayun, may presentation ako na demo lang siya. So okay. Pwede po. Ay, pa-play sir. Pa-play. Yes sir.
Ganyan na ganyan. Interesting.
Ayan, okay sir. So, yung Packer, it consists of variables, builders, and provisioner. So variables, so we all know what is variable. Builders, this is where you specify all the AMI parameters. For example, AMI name, region, instance type, and then you can also include the EBS volumes, the number of volumes that you want to attach. And then the provisioner, this is where you can apply your programming scripts like Python, Bash, and also you can use Ansible scripts to install other softwares. Okay. So for this example, we will create a test file and for test inside the temp directory. Okay. So here you notice that we don't have yet a source AMI. So what we're going to do is, okay, we're going to get a fresh AMI from Amazon. Okay, it's from Amazon. You can get the latest AMI. So specify the AMI ID. So for this example, we will just copy the templates. Create a file, Packer build, the template. So kayo na bahala ko ng name, then paste it here. So to validate yung Packer template, if you have syntax errors, the command Packer validate, then the template file. Okay, so no syntax error. Then if you want to build the Packer template, so Packer build, then the template file. So you can see here, I'm using spot instance. I'm not using on-demand instance. Of course, to save cost. Mahal din ang on-demand. Okay. Alright. Ay, sir, parang ulit. Nag-loop eh, sorry. Wait lang. mag-provision siya ng instance together with the configuration that we apply in the Packer template. So as you can see, run nyo yung mga scripts inside the Packer template. And then, here's the AMI ID. So, ayun na, tapos na. Kita nyo sa likod? Medyo. So, ayun, after provisioning the instance, it will automatically terminate the provision instance. So, by the way, it creates temporary security group as well as the SSH keys. So, ayan na. Then we're creating create a DMI. Next, add storage, and nandiyan yung storage na in-add natin. Next, configure, then so on. Select security group. Review and launch. Ayun, create na yung may instance. So, kailangan once na may SSH, nandun na yung mga files na create natin, yung test files. Na-record, sorry. So, ayun na, na-create yung temp directory, then yung test files. So, ganun lang siya kasimple. It's so simple that we can use it when we go home today. Diba? Kasi, whenever I encounter DevOps people, I always ask them what they are using to create AMI. So, some of them are using Ansible, Terraform. So, ayun, parang dami lang kasing walang alam ng Packer, kaya gusto ko lang siya i-share sa inyo. Ayun, di ba ang dali lang? Dali lang, di ba? Yes. So, ayun. So, actually, Packer has already a plugin in Jenkins. So, you can use it using deployment tools. And of course, it is already supported by AWS. You can use it using code pipeline. So, ayun lang. Yun lang yung gusto kong ma-share sa inyo. So, if you want to check the templates, I created a CloudFormation template that will automatically install the Packer. And then, the Packer templates that we use in this presentation. Yun lang. Thank you.
So guys, do you have questions? Okay, Mr.